You've got a genius business idea, but no coding skills, no design background, and no team. So what now, just let it die in your Notes app like the last 10? Not today. Because now you've got AI tools that can take your idea from sketch to working app without writing a single line of code. Two names you need to know, Figma and Bolt. Before we go any further, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're serious about turning your idea into a real product. Figma is a browser-based design tool. It's what product teams use to build user interfaces and experiences, clean, collaborative, and built for iteration. Think of it as the form. Then there's Bolt, the AI function. It takes what you create in Figma and brings it to life, generating real back-end and front-end code just by describing what you want in plain English. So instead of hiring a dev team or learning to code, you just tell Bolt, when this button is clicked, go to the next screen. And boom, it writes the logic, builds the database, and handles the flow. This new way of building is called vibe coding, coined by AI expert Andre Karpathy. It's conversational coding. No syntax, no jargon, just natural language turned into working software. The combo of Figma and Bolt is powerful because it eliminates the gap between design and development. You're no longer tossing files over to a dev and hoping for the best. You're building live, testing in real time, staying in flow. So what should you build with these tools? Start simple. Your app either does something, stores something, documents something, or sells something. A few examples. A tool that schedules client calls, a platform to store project files, a blog that documents your journey, a mobile app to sell handmade gear. Whatever you build, start with your customer. Know who you're solving for, your ICP, and build from there. Now, real talk, these tools aren't magic. You won't build the next Instagram with no code alone. Security? Still on you. Scalability? Limited. You'll need to grow with your idea. But as a way to get started fast, prototype efficiently, and launch smarter, Figma and Bolt are game changers. You're not waiting on permission. You're building. And if you want to go deeper into how AI tools can help launch your business, check out the video in the corner.